How many times have you struggled at the airport to get a good and secured Wi-Fi? Or maybe you're traveling to another country and you need a SIM-free Wi-Fi to connect with your family and friends. Or maybe you're here and want to share some social media pics. Or when you need a Wi-Fi for your car but your home Wi-Fi just cannot reach the parking area. I have a device today to unbox, which is the GlocalMe U3 portable hotspot or portable Wi-Fi device. Now this device is really handy and extremely portable. You can definitely use your own SIM if you have a SIM to use. Otherwise, you can use the built-in SIM-free capability to use the device when you're traveling. It does come with an SIM ejector tool as well. I use this device mostly because my Tesla needs a Wi-Fi to download the softwares and my home Wi-Fi doesn't reach to my garage. What comes with the box? So we have the charging cable, then we have the actual device. Now this is a really sleek design. It fits in the palm of your hand and it's easy to carry on your travel. This way is the charging port and here it's the power button. You press and hold the power button, activate the device. Now it comes with an easy steps to download on your app and you need to create an account when you download the app from the App Store. Once you have created the account, you will be given access to the app and from there you can scan the barcode that's behind the product and that will add the device for you inside the app. I've added the link to this product in the description box below. If you're liking the video, please subscribe to the channel. Now once you have the link successful, you can always explore the data plans to suit your needs. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.